Appreciate y'all tuning in. Behind me is a 75 Pontiac Trans Am, gorgeous 3-owner car with great history and an original drivetrain. Come with us today as we get you familiar with the exterior and interior and also go for a nice fun drive. Kicking things off at the front end, we got great styling and this thing's in great shape. These are Endura bumpers. They're like a rubber plastic composite there of some sort. Sometimes you do see hairline cracks in the finish. I'm not seeing any on this one. It looks great. Our black trim front bumper and little bumperettes don't look like they've ever been parked into anything, which is lovely. Then checking out the lower valence. Couple of stone chips like you might expect, but it doesn't appear to be cracked anywhere. Like it's never hit anything, which is good. I'm gonna release the hood right through here. Oh yeah. So this is a very original car. It's been repainted, it's been serviced and well maintained, but we've got the original engine, trans and rear out back. From the factory, she was equipped with power disc brakes and power steering and that lovely shaker hood. Show you this sealing up. Look at the chicken on the hood looking great. Now we'll start rolling down the driver's side of things. We've got good gaps. The hood fits nice and flush down into the fender. Our little side vents here, these little gills look great. They're not distorted in any way. Those are also that Endura material. Trans Am graphics look sweet. Mud flaps keeping the old stone chips where stones belong on the ground. Good gaps once more. Nice straight lines. Good gaps over here. All our bright work looks nice and sharp. No oxidation on the chrome handles. Rear window molding looks nice and tight. Haven't talked about it yet, but we've got a gorgeous set of Rally 2 wheels with the BFG radios on them. I love the raised white letter look. And if you're wondering, this is a 275/60 R15 out back. It's a staggered set. Up front, we're running on 235/60 R15s. Out back, we got gorgeous exhaust tips, exiting on either side. Beautiful Trans Am tail panel. Love the spoiler on the deck lid. And our trunk release is just right here. Smooth functioning lock cylinder. At the original mat, the original space saver spare, and the tire inflator. Nice and clean. Underside of the deck lid, very nice and sharp. This trunk gutter and underside of the deck lid, this is original paint. Just the exterior was reshot when they painted the car some years ago. Seals up good. Coming down the passenger side, nice wheel arches, great looking gaps. The door seals, they don't look like they were put on yesterday, but they are in really good shape. They're not all turned to dust. Door, fender to hood, all fits well. All right, doors open smooth. These are big, long doors, and they're not sagging. That's great. Sill plates look great. Door cards look lovely. Got remote mirror over here, and it is indeed functional. We got some nice bucket seats in here. Great condition. I don't see any tears, really no excessive wear. Our center console all in nice shape too. Sweet looking steering wheel. Love the speed holes in these. I believe these are aluminum. Pretty rad. This is almost looks like an aftermarket kind of go fast wheel we might have out today, but right here from the factory. Engine turned dash inlay. Super badass. Factory gauges all look sharp. Got a tach running up to 8,000 RPMs. And really red line is over here at 6,000. Gauges for oil pressure, coolant temp, fuel level, and of course a voltmeter as well. And this thing is at 100,069 miles. It shows 00069. I have record from 1977 up until 2025 from the second and third owner with mile logs and a full log book on work that has been done to this car. It's not rolled several times, just once. So we are at 100,000 miles on this car. Down below here, we've got an upgraded radio with AM, FM, and a tape deck. Fits in the factory location nice. Ashtray below that, and a good bit of storage down here. One thing this car has up with the upgraded radio is a couple additional speakers mounted down here on the end of the console. Dash pad looks wonderful. There's no cracks. The glove box is nice and clean as well, with the original sticker in here still. Dig it. Rear seats, they look to be in great shape. The rear inner cars, the sail panel, all looks nice. Package tray in wonderful shape with 2 speakers in there. Those look to be factory speaker covers. Glass all in good shape, headliner nice and tight. Got these retractable belts mounted upstairs, which is cool. All right, we just rolled over some railroad tracks. All good and smooth. I think the alignment's in check. This is great. Ease into these brakes now. Good. Nice even braking, not pulling this thing anywhere. Indicators canceling on its own. Transmission just shifted into second gear, felt good and smooth. And we are watching the odometer move. Power steering feels really nice. As I begin to lean into this accelerator pedal, it's really happy. She's tuned in good. Not sputtering, not hesitating. Does exactly what you expect it to do. Now we don't need the heat today, but our blower motor is working. This thing's got good get up. Wow. Oil pressure's around 60 pounds. Water temp's about 180, 170. Voltmeters charging in the high 14s. Cool. And again, wherever we touch this accelerator, doesn't matter if we're in the bottom of third and lean into it, it feels really strong and it's happy. As always, if you want to know more, you want to know what the price is, check the description down below in this video. We'll put a link there to view the full listing. You click on that and you can go view our full listing on our website. That's 100 plus pictures, high and low, close-ups of the PHS report. In fact, let me grab this paper. I've got a nice folder on this car, original warranty booklet, original owner's manual. As mentioned before, 3-owner car. It's been with the 3rd owner for the past 33 years. He got it in 92, the owner before him from 77 until 92. All of that is in here with a nice little logbook on what has been done. Before we go, while you're down there clicking, feel free to like, subscribe, and you can call us too at any time. It's 248-714-2110. Dial it in your phone and we'd be happy to talk with you. Also, you can email us at any time. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.